Hello friends and welcome to the channel. So today I am going to make the Acer Aspire 3 Ryzen 3 3300U laptop. So this product I received in the last night, and after making the use of one day, I am going to review what are the honest review. Okay, so what are the pros and cons of taking this laptop, I will explain in this video. So first of all, the body, when it's coming to the body and the design, so it looks a premium outlook, and it won't look that it is a budgeted laptop, because when you go for the finishing, so it is having the good quality of the surface. Okay, the painting quality it may be, and everything, the design aspect, it's having a good range. So in this area I can give, this is for 5 by 5. Okay, and coming to the display quality, so anyhow it is a HD display, but when I observed, as I compared with my previous laptop, there is a lot of difference in the display, even though it is HD quality display. But when you go for video in 1080, so you won't feel that this is an HD display. Okay, so I am having here at the touchpad, you can enlarge the screen and also you can reduce. So this option you are having in the touchpad, right? So here there are some features are given. What are the special features in this laptop? And also the camera quality is also good when I used in the Zoom meeting, so it looks okay, right? So we can have the good online classes using this laptop. And also the battery, okay, so it can give around 3 to 4 hour backup. So in the normal usage you can go for 3 to 4 maximum expectation you can keep, right? So after that, the processor, so I have used the office files like MS Word, Excel, and I operated, so everything will run smoothly without any hanging all, and also browsing. So today I downloaded this Chrome from the website, so it is free, so where you can download. So from that you can check what will be the browsing speed. Anyhow, the internet is not connected now, but as I observed, it is having a good browsing timing. And also, and here if you see the ports, okay, so maximum all the ports are given, like USB and LAN port, audio jack. So there are 3 USB port are given, one is power supply. Okay, and there is a drawback here that you cannot find the disk drive. Okay, CD drive you cannot find, so that may be drawback here. And this charger is very compact size. Okay, in the earlier it is used to come in a larger size, but now you can see it is very compact, and length is also around 4 to 5 feet the cable length it will be having, total length of the cable. Okay, and the processor, as you know, it is run with a Ryzen 3, AMD Ryzen 3, and graphics is AMD Ryzen graphics, Radeon graphics. Okay, so that will be good graphics. So if you, and also you can download some of the apps also. Here there is a one Microsoft Store is given. From there you can download, like today I downloaded WhatsApp desktop, so you can directly browse the WhatsApp on desktop. And also there are many features are given, but even though I have not gone through all the details, but for the daily use and office use as a student for online classes, so this is the one of the best choice as I recommend, because as a quality wise and build quality, everything it's fine in this laptop, and it looks a premium quality. Okay, you don't feel that it is under 25 range. It gives the all the feature that a basic needs for the operator, so everything it can provide. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.